Hey everyone, so today we're working on a think page for the Amy Baccaretti article. If you don't have the think page on your worksheet, then you can check out the other video, which is the cut and paste. All right, so let's look at our questions. We'll start with number 1. What are you good at? So you guys, as always, can either copy what I write if you agree with me, or you can write your own. And if I'm going too fast, pause the video. So what are you good at? I'm going to say for myself, we're going to write the question into our answer. So I would say, I am good at, and when think, what am I good at? Well, for me, I can say I'm good at playing games. I'll say playing board games. I am good at cooking. And I think that I'm pretty good at playing with children. So that's what I'm good at, but you can have something completely different. You might say that you're good at running, or you're good at a specific sport, maybe soccer or basketball, or maybe you're really good at drawing, or you're good at listening. Some people are great listeners, right? You might be really good at understanding a different language. I mean, there's lots of things. We're all good at different things. This is just what I'm good at. So I said, I am good at playing board games, cooking, and playing with children, mainly my own 2 children. Number 2, what do you like to play? So that's a really fun question. So we're going to write, I like to play, and then I want you to think, what do I like to play? So if you think of it in sports, it could be playing sports, it could be playing games, video games. You can play with toy cars, blocks, Legos, all of those things. I'm going to say I like to play basketball and soccer. I'm going to write that. But I'm going to put in parentheses if you want to add more. We can also say I like to play with toy cars, blocks, Legos, volleyball. What other sports are there? We'll leave it there. So you don't have to write all of this, but you can pick 2 if you'd like. So you can say, I like to play basketball and soccer. You can write, you like to play with toy cars, blocks, Legos, volleyball, any of those. Or anything else that I didn't think of. All right, next one, number 3. Who helps you try your best? So for me, I'm going to write someone who helps me try my best is my mom. And I'm just going to leave it at that because it didn't ask me why, so I'm just not going to elaborate. But someone who helps me try my best is my mom. She's always there to encourage me to try harder, to do my best. If I need help, she's there to support me. She's there to make sure that I understand what I'm doing. Yeah. All right, so number 1, what are you good at? I'm good at playing board games, cooking, and playing with children. Number 2, what do you like to play? I like to play basketball and soccer. Or you can say toy cars, blocks, Legos, volleyball, etc. Number 3, who helps you try your best? Someone who helps me try my best is my mom.